Hey people, so one of the main reasons I set up this channel was so that when I come across something nice in life, I'm able to stop and make a short little recording or video and thank that person, or it's like, because these are precious little moments in this video also, like just 1 minute 2 minutes. But so I have to say that one of the nicest teachers I could have ever come across, she was my son's teacher, and her name is Miss Sakina, and she's faculty at the school called New York Academy, which is in Banjara Hills. And really, Sakina ma'am taught my child when he was just in PP2, that's like the upper KG or whatever. And right now my kid is going to be in the third standard. But I mean, in my little interaction with her, I remember thinking that, wow, this school, New York Academy, has teachers of such good caliber, because when a person is nice, when they are kind, that simply shines through. It's Roald Dahl, the writer. He used to say that good deeds are like, no, good thoughts are like sunbeams. They simply shine through. So when a person is nice, it is just seen. So when I met Miss Sakina, I was just so reassured that my child is, I've been fortunate enough that she's the teacher for my kid. So really, ma'am, thank you so much. I mean, like in our interaction together, I remember telling ma'am also this, but I really felt I should make a video, because when we look back, it is these moments that a video can be played back and you can hear it again and all. But truly, ma'am, I think my child and so many other children are plain lucky that they've had you as a teacher. And so on that count, I need to say, New York Academy, thank you for getting us such top-notch teachers who can make such a big difference in the lives of children. So on that note, thanks for watching, and please subscribe.